How to plant little bird flower at home for ornamental plants for beginners. Flowers Kakak swamp or flowers Kakak row is one type of ornamental flower plants that favored many lovers of ornamental plants because of the unique shape of the flower that resembles a small bird that perched between the leaves. Flowers with the scientific name Pedilithus bracteatus is also often called the bird flower or little bird flower. Row Kakak flowers can grow from a height of 60 cm to 100 cm. Flower Kakak row plants have many types. There is a small size and shaped zigzag-like kris. In one stem of this row Kakak plants, usually not too many leaves that grow. Generally, brownish-brown ruched flowers that contain sweet liquid so often infested by bees. If you want to plant or cultivate flower Kakak row plants as ornamental plants in the house either in pots or in the yard of the house, the following how to plant flowers Kakak row at home for ornamental plants for beginners more. 1. How to cultivate flowers Kakak row. Breeding or propagation of Kakak row flowers can be done by stem cuttings or root cuttings. If through the stem cuttings, the trick is cut along the length of 30 cm and then the stem seeds can be directly planted. If done by the root, then separate the plant to be seeded together with the roots so that plants will grow faster. 2. How to cultivate flowers Kakak row. Before planting, prepare the media first. Planting media that need to be prepared can be a mixture of soil and manure or a fine compost fertilizer with a ratio of 1:1 and then mixed until evenly distributed. If everything is ready, then do the planting. Plant seedlings on planting media and make sure the seeds are planted properly so that the seeds are not easily collapsed and the roots are not damaged. Perform watering for plant moisture awake and good growth. 3. How to take care of Kakak flowers. Treatments that need dilakuka on Rako Kakak flowers such as watering, fertilizing and pruning. Watering can be done regularly and should not be done every day. In order for plants to grow properly, it is necessary to provide additional nutrients through fertilizer. This fertilizer can be done at least every 2.5 months to 3 months once using organic fertilizer or artificial fertilizer. If arranged well, then the flowers Kakak row are grown in the yard can be used as a beautiful living fence. If you want to be formed in accordance with your wishes, you can do the pruning. So we are discussing about how to plant flowers Kakak row at home for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.